Jupiter is a gas giant in the sense that it does not have any hard and solid surface like the Earth and is made entirely of gas. So if we can reach it and want to land on it, what exactly will happen? Hello guys, welcome to Like Ocean Family. In this episode, we're going to talk about what would happen if we landed on Jupiter's surface. Those who are interested in the world of astronomy and planets have probably heard that the planet Jupiter is a gas giant and therefore has no surface like what we see on Earth. With this very brief introduction, let's assume that we have the necessary facilities to reach Jupiter and survive in the harsh condition of this planet. What exactly will happen when we reach this planet, and is it possible to land on its surface? First of all, you should know that Jupiter does not have a hard, rocky surface like we have here on Earth. Therefore, the phase stepping on the customer's level is not literally possible. So, to be able to answer our exciting question, we must first understand the true meaning of the term customer level. Customer, a gas planet. As you know, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. In fact, it is big enough to fit 1,300 Earths. In addition to being the largest number of our solar system after the Sun, it is also a gas giant, meaning that, like the Sun, it is composed only of hydrogen and helium gases. The bands you see on this planet are actually red, yellow, brown, and white clouds that are all part of Jupiter's atmosphere. But interestingly, this gas giant doesn't really have a surface, at least not in the same way to our planet does. So trying to land on it is like trying to land on a cloud here on Earth. Man's explanatory journey to the planet Jupiter. As we mentioned, unlike the Earth, Jupiter does not have a hard and solid surface. This mass is just a big clump of gas and some other stuff that has been clumped together to form a planet. Like Earth's atmosphere, the gases in Jupiter's atmosphere have a variable density, meaning that as you move away from the planet, the layers become thinner and thinner until at some point the atmosphere becomes one with interplanetary space. So, it's say you fall from a height outside Jupiter's visible atmosphere to its surface. Once you get to about 300,000 kilometers above the surface, we call it the surface because it's the level where the gas pressure in one bar, roughly the same as Earth's surface pressure. You'll normally die of radiation poisoning. However, since we've assumed you have an immortal spacesuit, you won't actually die. As you enter the planet's upper atmosphere, you'll be pulled on the Jupiter's gravitational pull, which will propel the dial at 11,000 miles per hour. This causes you to burn up like meteorites before hitting the surface. A little further on, you'll reach clouds of ammonia, but likely you won't be burned by the fall at that point. After about 3 minutes, you will reach the top of the clouds at 155 miles above the surface. Here, you will experience the entire customer rotation. Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet in the solar system, with a day lasting about 9.5 Earth's hour. This creates powerful winds that can swirl around the planet at speeds over 300 miles per hour. Once you get down to 2,500 miles, the temperature reaches 6,100 degrees Fahrenheit. It is so hot that it easily melts tungsten, the metal with the highest melting point in the universe. At this point, you will be falling for at least 12 hours. And you won't even get halfway there. 13,000 miles down, reach Jupiter's innermost layer, which space researchers don't know much about. Here the pressure and density become so high that they combined effect reduce your second speed to an absolute minimum. Here the pressure is 2 million times stronger than the surface of Earth, and the temperature is hotter than the surface of the Sun. These conditions are so intense that they change the chemical composition of the hydrogen around you. Hydrogen molecules get so close together that they electrons and strip, forming an unusual substance called metallic hydrogen. Metallic hydrogen is highly reflective, so if you try to use light to see here, it will be impossible. Also, this area is as dense as rock. Therefore, by traveling deeper, the buoyant forces due to the metallic hydrogen contracts the down onward pull of gravity. Finally, the float will shoot you until gravity pulls you you down. And when these two forces are equal, you're floating in the middle of Jupiter, unable to go up or down, with no way to escape. Finally upon reaching the surface, which has two pressure of 2 million bar, an atmosphere, and a temperature as high as the sun, your descent reaches the finish line, and so do you. Astronomers believe that Jupiter has a dense core of heavy elements and will form in the early stages of the solar system. The core grew from clusters of debris, icy material, and other small objects. However, stepping on anything that can be called a surface is certainly impossible on this planet. What we'll experience there will be nothing but falling and floating among gases. Maybe it would be interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share your opinion to us, and you can write the next subject that you want. By the way, it's our pleasure to you subscribe our channel and watch our videos. Please don't forget to share the videos with your friends. So here you are guys, we recommended movie and book for today. We'll see you tomorrow, and I love you guys. Take care of yourself. For now, goodbye.